Nalilipat mo sa laptop.
May ano siya, may parang memory card.
Okay, so, first of all pala, what inspired you to become an author? Yun na yun.
Oh, I love to tell stories to
Yes.
my children at night. So, and I'm an artist. Also, I make illustrations using pressed flowers, collage work. So I decided to come up with a story and illustrate it myself.
Okay. So far, what's the response from the community about the book, about as an author?
Well, I'm very happy that I was able to team up with some NGOs who are working in with watershed conservation and environmental education. So they're using my publications to educate about environment.
Okay. Okay. But how is life as an author in the Philippines?
Very hard.
Very
It's not
hard.
a high-paying job at all. It's a lot of psychic rewards. Not resort, psychological rewards. I-edit na lang yun.
Po.
Psychological rewards talaga siya and fulfillment. So, if you're out there to help others and educate people, it's a good way of doing so. But as a profession, might probably take years of hard work and voluminous work, meaning a very high output of writing and acceptability in the writing world before you can really reach a career success point. But for those inspiring writers and authors, this not to stop you, but to challenge you to try your best and to find your own individual expression and niche.
Umabot naman 2 minutes.
Yeah, po. Marami ka tanong kanina.
So you're saying it's hard to live as an author lang here in
Yes,
the
it's
Philippines.
usually a combined work with other things.
So
If you're usually when you're an author, it's assumed that you're a professional, expert in a particular topic or field. So being an author for some successful people is an offshoot of a career in a specific path. Let's say you're a good doctor, and then you come up with several books talking about your expertise. That's the natural path.
so hindi mahirap na yung author ka lang. You just write books.
It's also okay, but it will really entail a dedication to that field. I know one, Carla Pacis. She's a children's book author. She did a career shift from the banking world. She shifted to writing. That's a full-time career for her, and she also edits. So it will take dedication and hard work, and a lot of involvement, passion, and vision.
Okay. What yung ano tawag na? Has the authors grown from before? Dumadami ba sila ngayon or
I
kumukonti?
cannot tell because my situation is I'm an expert in a particular field and express myself through my publications. So it's not like I'm a full-time author and it's my career. For anything else,
So-
I'm an environmentalist.
So it's just like yung other. Yeah. So ano ba yung tanong?